Today I'd like to demonstrate some of the ancillary functions on the nurse call console for Luvicom. These functions will be the same if you're using an annunciation station. So the very loud pitched squeal you hear means that there is a trouble somewhere on the system. It's also noted by the flashing icon in the top center of the screen. You can press this icon and it will tell you which room or which device is offline. In this case, I've unplugged the station in room 120. If the station is offline for a while because its maintenance is working on it, you can actually silence the alarm on the console here temporarily. So to do that, you would press the blue, looks like a speaker icon. And then the function here is defect notification. Currently it's active. I'm going to change that to mute. Click the back. Now that function, that alarm, will no longer make that high-pitched squeal every minute. When the device gets repaired, that alarm will disappear. It'll take a moment for it to notice that the system is back up and running. That alarm will reset as far as notifications goes. So if we have another alarm for this device type, I'll unplug it again. That alarm will make a noise again shortly. It takes about a minute, but that alarm will, there it is again. If I repair the device, in this case I'm going to plug it back in, the alarm will self-cancel and clear on the console. But you can always turn the alarm off temporarily while it is in an alarm function by pressing the blue speaker key and switch your defect notification to mute. Any new defect that comes in on the system will always make the sound, but that is the simplest way to stop temporarily the alarms from ringing in on the console with a very high-pitched squeal.